Hi, my name is Chef Ricardo. I'll be making barbecue short ribs. Thank you for watching. In a pan, we're gonna add water, salt, pepper to tenderize it on top of the stove. Let it boil for a half hour. Our next cooking process is gonna be in the oven at 325 for another hour and a half. By using this two cooking process, you are tenderizing and at the same time caramelizing it inside the oven for more flavor and softer and a lot more succulent, juicy ribs. We will now pull it out of the oven and start cutting it. Don't forget to use a sharp chef knife. Make sure you cut between the bones. Always taste your meat to make sure it's seasoned properly. This is the time when you would adjust the flavors by adding in more salt and pepper and add your barbecue sauce and honey. And then let's put it back into the oven to let it caramelize more. Leave it for 15 minutes. Now is when your artistic talent shows the most. Eating 101. Always start from the middle. Start your plate as if it was a painting. That's how you should be plating. Because most people eat by eye and how the food looks. How they do outside colors and space, different hues, different values, color hues, color contrast, dark and light, and enjoy. Now it's time to eat.